The FAIRPHONE 4 is our most sustainable smartphone yet. It's made with fair and recycled materials, and it's built to last. The really special part? It's yours to open, yours to repair, and yours to keep. That means that no part of this phone is permanently glued, so you can easily repair it yourself with a standard screwdriver. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to take out and replace your loudspeaker. But first, let's make sure you and your FAIRPHONE are ready to go. Here's a short checklist before we start. Make sure your FAIRPHONE's battery is charged. Most batteries actually don't come with a full charge fresh out of the box. Find an even and level clean surface to work on, with a good light source so you don't miss any of the action. We recommend to keep a few items at hand to make your life easier. A cotton cloth to clean the surfaces of your phone. 2 small containers to divide and keep all the small screws in place. A credit card, guitar pick, or other similar plastic card to help with removing the modules or parts. And your trusty Phillips 00 screwdriver, like this one from iFixit. A word of caution, please don't use any metal objects other than the screwdriver when working on the phone. Your own hands or the plastic card or pick will get the job done and protect the internal part. Since we're taking out the battery for this one, make sure your FAIRPHONE is turned off by pressing the power button on the side of your phone. Now let's take off the back cover by separating it from the aluminum frame with your finger. There is a designated notch on the bottom right side of your phone when the screen is facing down. You'll hear a nice click once it disconnects. Make sure to start there and work your way around until the back cover comes all the way off. To take out the battery, simply lift it from the white triangle at the bottom. The loudspeaker is held in place by 6 silver screws. Unscrew with your Phillips 00 screwdriver and store safely. Once removed, you can now gently take out the loudspeaker. We recommend you use a credit card or guitar pick. The loudspeaker fits pretty firm and securely, but don't worry. Take your time and apply gentle pressure for it to come out. Try not to touch other internal components after removal. To insert the new loudspeaker, it's best to start at the bottom and insert the top after, like this. Now all you have to do is reinsert and tighten the 6 loudspeaker screws. Now you're ready to put the battery back. Make sure to start with the top and lay it down like this. Click the back cover back in place and press along the sides with your finger to make sure the fit is snug and secure. Turn on your FAIRPHONE 4 by pressing the power button on the side of your phone. And that's all! Congrats on your DIY loudspeaker replacement!